Welcome everyone, my name is Rafi Domingo, and today I will discuss to you on strengthening identity and access management, or IAM. In an era where data breaches and cybersecurity threats are rampant, IAM plays a pivotal role in ensuring the security of digital assets and sensitive information. Throughout our conversation, we delve into fundamental concepts of IAM, its working, tools available, advantages, and how it optimizes efficiency while empowering users with seamless authentication solutions. First, we must know what is identity and access management is. Identity and access management, often abbreviated as IAM, refers to the framework of policies, technologies, and processes used to manage digital identities and control access to resources within an organization's IT infrastructure. IAM encompasses the management of users' identities, their authentication, authorization, and the provisioning and deprovisioning of access rights to various system applications and data. It ensures that the right individuals have the appropriate access to the right resources at the right time, while also enforcing security policies and compliance requirements. Number 2, how does identity and access management work? So, IAM typically operates through a centralized system or platform that serves as a hub for managing user identities and access privileges. It involves several key processes including number 1, identity provisioning. Identity provisioning, creating, updating, and deleting user accounts and access rights based on predefined policies and roles. Number 2 is authentication. Authentication is verifying and identify of users through various methods such as password, biometrics, and multi-factor authentication. Number 3 is authorization. Authorization is determining what resources and data users are allowed to access based on their roles, permission, and organizational policies. And last, single sign-on, allowing user to access multiple application or system with a single set of credentials and enhancing convenience and security. Identity and access management tools. There is a wide range of IAM tools and solutions available, catering to different organizational needs and complexities. These tools often offer functionalities such as user lifecycle management, role-based access control, directory services, multi-factor authentication, federated identity management, and last, identity governance and administration. These are all tools. Advantages of IAM. IAM offers several benefits including 1. It enhances security by enforcing least privileges, access, and implementing strong authentication mechanism. IAM helps mitigate the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Number 2, improve compliance. IAM solutions assist organizations in meeting regulatory requirements and industry standards by enforcing access controls and maintaining audit trails. And last, it increases efficiency. Centralized identity management streamlines administrative tasks, reduces manual errors, and improves productivity by automating user provisioning and access management process. Purpose: optimizing efficiency through centralized identity governance. Centralized identity governance users that access to resources in managed consistently across the organizational, reducing administrative overhead and ensuring compliance with security policies and regulations. By centralizing identity management, organizations can achieve greater visibility and control over user access, leading to improved efficiency and security. Implementing seamless authentication solutions such as single-on and multi-factor authentication or MFA enhances secure experience while strengthening security. SSO allows users to access multiple applications with a single set of credentials, simplifying the login processes, while MFA adds on extra layer of security by requiring additional verification factors beyond password. In conclusion, Identity and Access Management or IAM serve as a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity strategies, ensuring that organizations can effectively manage user identities and control access to critical resources. By implementing IAM solutions, organizations can enhance security, improve compliance, and optimize operational efficiency, ultimately empowering users with seamless authentication experience while safeguarding digital assets against evolving threats.